Whether you're cutting the extra off of a zip tie or you're cutting weed whacker line, these pliers are for you. Hey guys, the good folks over at Arrow sent me these 6-inch flush side cutting pliers. I'm going to get them opened up and check them out. Nice red handle on them. Oh, those feel good. That is a good rubber handle. Got a good grip in it. 6-inch wire pliers. Cutting zip ties, weed eater line, wire. Has a little spring inside here to keep it opened up for you so you don't have to pull it open. You know, these things rust up and get old and they won't operate right. Very sharp. These are made out of a high quality 60 CRB steel, so they should hold the edge for quite some time. Like I said, you can use it to cut wire, zip ties, weed eater line, whatever the need is, these might fit the bill. I'm definitely going to use these quite a bit because I got a lot more zip ties to cut off. And actually it'd probably be good to cut the banding on some of the boxes I get in. Didn't think about that till just now, but just that plastic banding. And it would cut the wire banding on some of the heavier boxes. Really nice set of 6-inch wire pliers. If you're in the market for some of these, you might want to check these out. Definitely a thumbs up. I like them. If you'd like to get some of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any kind of value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.